Welcome to Earth Eats. I'm Kate Young, and today we're going to be making what I'm calling green butter. Normally when I talk about green butter, I'm talking about avocado, which is nature's green butter. But today, this is a green butter that we're going to make, and it's something like an herb compound butter, but it's greener than that. So to make the green butter, what you want to start with is fresh herbs. I have parsley here that's mostly got the stems removed. This is a lot of fresh thyme. I did take it off of the stem, so these are just leaves. We've also got a bunch of chives. And I'm just gonna rough cut these because it's all gonna go in the food processor and get chopped up. Now I suppose just like pesto, you could do all of this in a mortar and pestle. That is not something I'm gonna do. Drop the parsley in there. I'm gonna just pulse this. And pulsing is just a really good way to make sure it doesn't just keep spinning around. It kind of moves the food around inside the food processor a little bit more. And I want this really finely chopped. So I'm gonna go ahead and scrape off any of these stragglers. It also helps to have your herbs fairly dry. You don't want it just like clumping up into a paste. So that is about how you want it. It could even go a little bit more, I suppose. You don't really want long pieces stuck in there. Then we're gonna drop 2 sticks of salted butter. I think it's worthwhile to go ahead and buy a high quality butter for this. And this is just a really nice high quality cultured butter from Vermont. And you're just blending it up. And that is it. That is the majority of the process. Then we're going to spread it onto some wax paper or parchment paper and kind of roll it up into sort of a log. And that way it will solidify again into butter like a butter stick. And then you can just slice it off and use it as needed. Now you might be asking yourself, why would I be making green butter? What is this even for? It is a wonderful way to really dress up some pasta quickly. If you just kind of have this in the fridge, you can just drop it on some pasta, mix it up, and it just seasons it beautifully. It has this very fresh, bright flavor, and it's wonderful in the winter time or like early spring when you don't have a lot of fresh green foods. It just really brightens things up. So our herbed butter is now chilled and set. Slice it off and use it as needed. Like I said, it is excellent in pasta, and granted, maybe we don't need more ways to enjoy pasta, but I have just really been impressed with how tasty this is. It's different than pesto. It has just a freshness and a brightness that the specific herbs that are used, the chives, the parsley, and the thyme, they just are a beautiful combination, and it's very bright, very springy. So I hope you'll give it a try. Thanks for watching today. If you enjoyed this recipe, please like and subscribe. You can catch our podcast at eartheats.org or wherever you get your podcasts. It's a weekly podcast. I hope you'll join us. I'm Kate Young. We'll see you next time.